Have you ever wondered if insects have dating rituals as bizarre as some human ones? Welcome, curious minds, to a journey into the intriguing world of insect love. It's a realm where romance takes a twist, where courtship dances could be deadly, and where the search for a mate might just end with an explosive climax. Think of the strangest dating behavior you've ever seen, then multiply it by 10. That's the kind of bizarre we're talking about. Insects, these tiny creatures that share our world, have some of the most fascinating and frankly bewildering mating rituals on the planet. From suicidal serenades to deadly dances, these rituals are as diverse as they are bizarre. So have you seen any strange insect behaviors in your backyard? Maybe a dance-off between two beetles or a butterfly playing hard to get? Well, brace yourselves because you're about to embark on a journey that's stranger than fiction. Get ready to dive into the world of deadly love affairs among insects. Are you ready to witness a deadly dance of passion? Ever heard of the praying mantis? Now, there's an insect with a love life that's far from ordinary. You might even say it's fatal. You see, the praying mantis is famous or infamous for its post-coital cannibalism. Yes, you heard it right, cannibalism. In the wild world of insects, the praying mantis has one of the most bizarre mating rituals. The female, often larger and more powerful than her suitor, lures the male in with pheromones. As he approaches, she plays hard to get, sometimes even engaging in a complex courtship dance. Once he's close enough, the real drama begins. After the deed is done, the female often turns to her mate and without a moment's hesitation starts to eat him alive, starting from his head. A gruesome end, you might say. But did you know this deadly feast isn't just a random act of violence, it's actually a survival strategy? By consuming her mate, the female ensures she has enough nutrition to lay hundreds of eggs and secure the next generation of praying mantises. A date ending with one party becoming the other's dinner. Now that's a plot twist you don't see in your average romantic comedy. But in the insect world, it's just another day in the life of a praying mantis. Talk about a fatal attraction, wouldn't you agree? How about a one-time only performance? Ever wondered how honeybees mate? Well, buckle up, because the world of honeybees is about to get explosively interesting. You see, in the realm of honeybees, it's the drones, or the males, who are destined for a rather dramatic finale. Their sole purpose in life? To mate with a virgin queen. Sounds quite regal, doesn't it? But here's the twist. During this mid-air mating ritual, the drone deposits his sperm and then experiences a rather explosive end. Yes, you heard that right. The drone's endophallus, or bee anatomy, for what we might call the male organ, literally explodes post-mating, causing his sudden and immediate death. A bit of a shocker, isn't it? But don't be too quick to mourn the drone's demise. This explosive end serves a purpose. The ruptured organ acts as a plug, preventing other drones from mating with the queen. So, in a way, the drone ensures his genes are passed on, even if it means his own explosive end. Isn't that an explosive way to end a date? I mean, talk about going out with a bang! The world of insect love is truly full of bizarre and fascinating rituals. And the honeybee's one-time performance? It's one that certainly leaves a mark, or rather, a plug. A one-time performance indeed. Now that's what one could call a buzzkill. Moving on to a more romantic scenario, ever heard of the bowerbird's love nests? Yes, you heard it right, love nests. This charming creature, not technically an insect but a bird, is a master of architecture and aesthetics. The male bowerbird goes all out in his quest for love, building elaborate structures, or bowers, from twigs, leaves, and even bits of brightly coloured objects he finds. It's all about creating the most eye-catching, jaw-dropping display to attract the ladies. Now imagine this. A bird so committed, so determined to impress that he spends hours, days, even weeks perfecting his bower. He meticulously arranges each piece, constantly adjusting and readjusting until everything is just right. And once his masterpiece is complete, he waits in anticipation for a female to come along and inspect his work. The pressure is on. Will she be impressed? Will she choose him as her mate? This is not just about building a nest. It's about creating a work of art, a declaration of love and dedication. Would you be impressed by such a grand gesture? It's like receiving a bouquet of flowers, but instead of just picking them from a garden, your suitor has grown each bloom from seed, tended to them with care, and arranged them into a stunning display just for you. Quite a romantic, isn't he? Who knew insects, or birds in this case, could be so chivalrous? Aren't these insect dating rituals bizarrely fascinating? We've journeyed together through the peculiar world of insect romance, where the dance of death, explosive ends, and extraordinary gestures of love are daily occurrences. We started with the praying mantis, where the phrase "love bites" takes on a whole new meaning. The females, in their post-coital bliss, often turn their mates into a tasty snack. Quite the deadly dance, wouldn't you say? Then we delved into the life of the honeybee. These diligent workers end their mating flight in a bang, quite literally, leaving their queen with a lasting, albeit fatal memory of their love. And who could forget the bowerbird? This avian Casanova woos his mate with a meticulously crafted love nest filled with trinkets and baubles. Every item is a testament to his devotion, each carefully chosen to win her heart. These tales from the insect world are as bizarre as they are fascinating. They remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So I'm curious, which of these deadly love affairs shocked you the most? Was it the cannibalistic mantis, the explosive honeybee, or the romantic bowerbird? Thank you for joining in this exploration of the bizarre world of insect love. Remember to subscribe, share, and leave your comments. Have a fantastic day.